Welcome to the charming village of Priors Hardwick, beautifully situated in the picturesque Warwickshire countryside. Today, I'm delighted to be presenting this exquisite farmhouse set in approximately 3.5 acres in stunning countryside views. Designed with spacious interiors, Elmers Farm perfectly balances comfort and elegance, set across 3 floors with 5 bedrooms. This Grade 2 listed exceptional haven is the perfect place to take you away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. This remarkable residence features a separate annex, ideal for accommodating guests, establishing a home office, or even generating rental income. Nestled in a sought-after area, you'll find yourself just minutes from delightful local amenities and a vibrant community spirit, making it the most perfect rural retreat.